Hello, my name is Matt. I'm the co-founder of the Wife Intermediary down here in Chepstow in South Wales. These are some of the things we make from our honey. Mead and honey beer. Part of the things we do as well is go into primary schools and talk to children and teachers about bees. We also give them a hive of bees to look after.
Helo, Griff Rhys yma o Cwmni Gwenyn Griffith, a heddi ni moyn siarad am Gwenyn gan bod ni'n diwrnod rhyngwladol y Gwenyn. A beth sy'n well na plannu blodau gwyllt i helpu'r Gwenyn i nhw cael peillio blodau gwyllt, i chi cael joio'r blodau adre, ond hefyd wrth denu'r Gwenyn i'ch ardd chi os ych chi'n tyfu ffrwythau a llysiau, just fel y coeden a fala hyn, bydd nhw'n helpu chi cael fwy o ffrwyth.
I'm in the family business so I can continue my family's legacy. I'm also ambassador for young beekeepers so that I can get more young people into the industry. I'm also able to support the environment while looking after the bees.
Hello, I'm Rodri from the Gwenyn Bee Farm based in Carmarthenshire. You've seen what we do as beekeepers and how we increase pollinators and biodiversity and produce ethical and sustainable honey throughout the year. What can you do this World Bee Day? Buy some local honey wherever you are in the world. Keeps beekeepers going, providing all the essential needs for the bees throughout the year. Thank you.
Carys Edwards ydw i o Feirionydd Eryri. Dwi'n ffarmio gwenyn duon Cymraeg. Dwi'n meddwl bod yn bwysig cadw'r gwenyn cynhenid yma sydd yn arfer i y tywydd da ni'n gael yma yn Gymru. Maen nhw yn wenyn sydd yn mynd allan yn bob tywydd ac yn bwysig i Gymru.
Here at Hedgerow Honey, we source locally sustainable, suitable farming locations for temporary or permanent settlement of bees so that they have suitable forage resources. As a consequence, they will pollinate our plants, which will bear more fruit. We aim to work in hand with our farmers and our landowners so that our bees and their land get the best experience possible.
For every order on our website at Black Mountain Honey, we give away a free pack of wildflower seeds to help save the bees. To date, we've given away enough wildflower seeds to plant 8 acres of wildflower meadow.